replacement shall be applied to planted trees within private lands and forest lands. Scoop all cuttings of trees.
Wala man, diretso man tayo. Itong 100 ko, ano to? This is midpoint natin? Ano?
What do you mean? Ay, hindi. This is to the entire thing na.
Ah, destination?
No, I mean,
To the...
this is just the next juncture. You know, until mag-stay right ka or stay left.
Yeah, okay. So, we're into the na siguro yan. Yung break na natin.
Ah,
More or
but,
less. Ganda ng panahon. Yung nag-green masyado yun. Diyan papunta tayo? Pamukkale?
Hindi.
Parang
Baka name lang yan ng ano.
Huh? Malakas ang hangin naman. Yes, ah. Ganda yan, you know? What is an infrastructure?
They're building something big.
Malaki yan ba? Center lang tayo. Shipbuilding? Ano, dagat? Oh, there's a Shell station. What you are to...
50 kilometers away daw.
Ay, 50 kilometers?
Maaga siya mag-inform sa'yo.
Ha?
50 kilometers, we are here, sabi niya. If you want us.
Just in case gusto mo mag-CR, ang sabi lang na notice ng Shell, it's just 50 kilometers away pa. Service Alani, ano yan? Ay, yung kanila.
Mga kainan nila.
Kainan, favorite natin na kainan.
Iba man yan, pwede may Burger King. Basta stopover yata ang service sa Lani, ibig sabihin. Or service center, I don't know.